That is the seal of the New York State Museum. And then you see the commemorative Statue of Liberty etchings there. Just beautiful. And my birth year is 1986, so extra proud of this piece. It's also serialized of the one of 15,000 pieces. There's also a smaller run of 500 that are even more beautifully etched, similarly etched, and have more silver on them as well. This one only has the silver insignia right there. But hold on, guys, and I'll get her out and let's check her out. Alright, folks, here's the up close and personal on that. Look at that stinking pretty bone, dude. That, gosh, it's so pretty. I don't know if it translates through the camera, but it's a purplish red. I mean, it's just, oh, it's smoking. But look at this knife, folks. Oh my goodness. And that jigging. Don't ever let someone tell you that a Schrade knife is a bad knife. Look at that thing, guys. Oh my goodness. What a great knife. Like I said, guys, 1986 is my birth year, so I'm especially fond of this one, but I told somebody I would share it yesterday, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a Schrade LTD.